Presenting the 2013 Chevrolet Cruze LS. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are pass-through rear seat, power steering, mirrors, power steering wheel audio controls, power door locks, steering wheel controls, audio, and ABS. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.